puppy. Hi, puppy. Hi. Hi, puppy. Yeah, look at you. Hey, puppy, you coming too? Are you coming too? Good job. Good come. Good job. Comes the puppy parade. This is puppy number 1. Can she stand up? Can we just sit her down? Nice. Here you are. Okay. Do we have puppy number 2 on their way? Good job. And she has a short little tail. Okay. Here's puppy number 2. Oops, let's get the face. Yeah, it's kind of a gray color back here. It's nice. Yeah, look at you standing up. Good job. And he has a little tail as well. And puppy number 3 is a big dog. Let's get your face. He just started getting those cute little speckles on his face. Okay. And he's got little black pads. Each one's black. It's really cute. Okay. And let's see if we can get you standing. There. Yeah. Okay, what number? Oh, are you number 4? Just a sweet cream-colored dog. Got the black pads again. Oh, so pretty. You gonna stand up for us? Kind of go ahead and stand in. Hi, puppies. Okay, puppy number 5. Aren't you cute? Yeah. Okay, you're gonna stand too? Hi, you've got the sweetest face. Yes, you do. Who's the sweetest face? And number... Nope, wrong one. This guy?
This guy.
Hi. You're number 6? Hi. Yes, you're the white-handed gibbon. I call him Gibbonus. With that face. So sweet. And he stands up too. And he has a short tail. Hi. I haven't been calling him anything. I think he's sweet. He's probably the calmest of the puppies. Can you stand up? You're just gonna sit and look. Huh? You're gonna just sit and look. Hi, puppy. What you waiting on? And number 8? And number 8. She is the most lively, probably curious, busy of our puppies. Hi. Yeah. Okay. You gonna stand? Good puppy. There we go. Puppy parade. 1 through 8. Oh. Where you going, puppy? Hi. Coming to say hi. You like to climb in our laps and take naps. Oh, and then we got a couple playing over there. You spend more time awake, more time playing, more time chewing on hands. Good job. Hi. Hi, Gibbon. They can growl.